Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. Firstly, just access Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Advanced Features. Following that, select App Cloner over here and click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone, in my case, Facebook. Then you need to wait a bit. And now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!